At school, you're either a good student or a not-so-good student. Either way, getting through class is no catwalk. You'll see what we mean. Bella, good morning. Seats taken. Don't ask questions. Okay, fine. She's sure not a morning person. I got him in the perfect position. Ready, aim, chew, and fire! Ow! What? Shut those mouths! And listen! This class is such a joke. Hold on to your hats, Theo. Ugh! Ever hear of something called etiquette? Me? I'm so innocent. What's the matter with this girl? Shakespeare has a way of turning words into effortless poetry. Huh? Bella dropped her wrapper. There. Here, Bella. You dropped this. I know. Wonder what else you'll get. Oops. Wait a minute! You're littering on purpose? You're an enemy to our planet! This is killing our Earth, you know! We have to do our part to stay green! Oh yeah? Then you throw my trash away! You happy? It's war! Children! What in heaven's name? They started it! You're putting on the gloves! And mopping these floors! No! Shakespeare would be ashamed! Well, that took a turn for the worse. Oh, no way! I'm not getting into any more trouble! Even if that means doing it all myself! Ooh, look at all these. Ahem. Don't you have cleaning to do? We both got in trouble, you know. Oh, I'm so worried. Getting in trouble's so scary. I'd better pick up all my trash. I'd hate to litter again. See ya. Ugh, the nerve of that girl! Ugh. How long is this stupid class? See how easy? For your homework. She said homework! That's a good enough cue for me! 2 and 1! I'm so out of here! But I have a question! Yes, Theo? Can we review number 5? Bella? You've gotta be kidding me! Not like I have any fun plans. This better be quick. Gah! You're killing me, Theo! Ah, now I get it. I'll see you kids on Monday. Monday? You love Mondays, don't you? Bella, I just want to learn! Morning's here! It's gonna be a great day! I already hate today. Better hop to it! I hope you die, alarm clock. Ugh. Monday. I wonder what I'll learn today. My brain doesn't work this early. Talk about opposites, huh? So refreshing! Mmm! Ugh. Must open eyes. Almost. Ah! Morning, fellas! This water better wake me up. Where's everyone? First one here again, I guess. Just gives me time to get situated. An organized desk makes for an organized mind. Good morning, sunshine! Ready for a day of learning? Whoa. Way too early for that. That's better. And to ensure I'm left alone, clear signage. That's right, no talking to me. She's clearly not a morning person. Hang tight, Dino! Daddy's here! Oh, already? I'm late! Run through the pain! Whoa! That was close. Whatever. Did I make it? Oh no! Theo? I'm so sorry I'm late. I was at my locker. And I just lost track of time. I vowed to never be late again. Whoa there. It's alright. Thank you, thank you, thank you! How can I ever forgive myself? Catch you after class, bro. Bella? Call me. Yeah. The nerve. What are you looking at? No teacher can scare me. See? I dare you to scold me. Congrats! You made it to class 20 minutes late. Now sit. A certificate? Trophy? Weird. Loser! Surprise, class! It's test day! No phones? It's like a little phone jail. Hand 'em over, kids! Fine. This stinks. Gimme, gimme! Aw, man! Oh, no thanks. But I have this for ya. What? Hi, sir. I've got something for you, too. Thanks! Hey! That's not fair. At least I can focus now. I'm locking these suckers up. For 1 hour. Ugh. So we meet again, classmates. Don't hurt us! Scaredy cats. Why isn't my key working? Whoa! Ouch! Looks like Bella's been outed. Bella loves Theo? That's not true! Out of my way! This can't be happening! This has to be a bad dream. Huh? What's going on over here? Were those pictures of me? Wait. That was my name she was doodling. And she was scrolling through my pics. Oh, it all makes sense now. Bella's in love with me. Oh, I can't believe this. Stupid, stupid. Hi, Bella. Here. She's cute, just like you. Wait. I have something for you, too. This is awesome! Looks like opposites do attract. Did you enjoy this unlikely love story? Perhaps you've fallen for someone really different than you. Let us know and be sure to share this video with your friends. Haven't watched these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube page so you never miss a video again.